subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After a year, Vivo has again launched the Vivo Z5x smartphone in China, but with new chipset. And except the new chipset, there is no major upgrade on the new Vivo Z5x smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo Z5x supports a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup including LED flash and a fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The triple rear camera includes a 16-megapixel main camera with f1.78 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the new Vivo Z5x comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset paired with Adreno 616 GPU. The device packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256 GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset still runs on Android 9 Pie based on FunTouch OS 9 skin on top, and it comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.39 by 77.33 by 8.85 mm and it weighs around 204.1 gram. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The new Vivo Z5x has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1398 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1598 Chinese yuan. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Blue, Phantom Black and Symphony color options. So what do you guys think of this new Vivo Z5x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.